end of it. Well, I finished
All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to go on to 5.5, and we're going to do part A. So the stuff we do today, it'll help you a little bit tomorrow. All right. So we're looking at 6C, parallel and perpendicular lines. Today we're going to do parallel. All right. So the direction says write an equation of a line that passes through the point and is parallel to the line. And kids have asked me, I don't get it. Like, what does this mean? Like, who cares? Right? This is what's going on. Right? So first of all, and you don't have to draw this, I'm just showing you why we're doing this. So first of all, let's say that I have an equation and an ordered pair. Right? So my ordered pair is 2, 4, 2, 4, and it puts me about right there. Okay? Oh, maybe a little bit lower. About right there. All right? And then I have a line. And the line, the y-intercept is 0, or 1, and its slope is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. So I have a line that looks like this, and I have a point right here. Yes? Mm-hmm. You get that? So the equation is my red line, and my ordered pair is the black point. What they're asking you to do is they're asking you to come up with the equation of a line that is parallel to the red line and goes through the black point. So this is what they're getting at. If I have a line that's parallel to the red line and goes through that black point, what is the equation of that green line? That's what you're trying to find. Okay? So this is how you're going to do it. First of all, let me take the equation. What is the slope of that equation? It's 4, right? It's the number in front of x. It's not x, but it's actually 4. And let's talk about a parallel line. If I am looking at a line that's parallel to that, what do I know about their slopes? Two lines, what about their slopes?
They are the same.
They are the same. So my new line, the slope is going to be 4. And you go, well, why am I writing it again and why am I putting the parallel symbol there? Because tomorrow when we do perpendicular, the slope will be different. Okay? All right, so this is my new slope, and in fact, I can put it in green because it's for my green line. Okay? So now this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take this slope, that green slope, and I'm going to take my ordered pair, which is x comma y, and I'm going to put it in the form y equals mx plus b. So what's my y of the ordered pair? 4. What's my m of my parallel line? 4. What's the x of my ordered pair?
2.
And then what would my b be?
1.
It's going to be b, because that's what I'm trying to find. Have we done this before?
Yes.
We have found the y-intercept before. It's just there was a different purpose to it. Right? So y equals 8 plus b. I'm going to subtract my 8. Negative 4 equals b. So now I got the b of my green line. That new line. And I need to come up with the equation. So y equals, what's the slope of my green line? 4. What's the b of my green line? This is the new equation of that line that goes through that point. That's parallel to the red one. So there's really nothing new. Same process to what you're used to. What's different is that very first step. I need to take out the slope, and then if it's parallel, it's going to be the same. Questions? All right. I had one person like totally confused earlier this morning, and it was the same kid that hasn't done their homework in like a week. That's why if you don't get it, you might be really confused because you haven't done your homework in a week. Let's look at this next one. What is the slope of the equation? Yes.
Negative 2?
Is it negative 2?
No, 2.
Why is it 2?
Because this is standard form.
Okay, this is in standard form, so what do I need to do? Put it into the other form, y equals mx plus b. So how do I do that? Yep. Yep, I'm going to add 2x. Make sure you put it in slope-intercept form first. So that's the first step. You got to make sure it's in slope-intercept form. All right. Now, what's the slope of this line?
2.
M equals 2. And I want a line that's perpendicular to it. Okay, so what's the slope of the new line? It's 2. It's the same, which is what we talked about, because two lines are parallel. They have to have the same slope. All right, so I am grabbing my equation. Y equals mx plus b. I'm going to grab my ordered pair. What's the y on my ordered pair? 5 equals, what is the new slope? 2. It's my red one, right? What's my x in my ordered pair?
4.
It is 4. What's my b? B. That's what I'm trying to find. Questions? Something you don't understand? Okay, now what? Multiply. So 5 equals 8 plus b, and then I subtract 8. B equals negative 3. Am I done?
No.
Why? Plug it in the equation. So y equals, what's my slope? 2 x minus 3. Then this is the equation of a line that is parallel to the previous one. Notice that their slopes are the same, but notice that the y-intercepts are different. You see that? Questions? Okay. That's it for the notes for today then.
Oh, that was really
So we don't
short.
have to graph them, right?